Walking the talk is what can help address climate change dangers facing Fiji and the world. Tonight's Successful Fijian features model and climate change activist Salanieta Koro, who says that the time to fight climate change is now, before we reach the point of no return. Sainiani Boila has her story.
Destruction caused by climate change is what drives 26-year-old Salanieta Koro to conduct local research and do her part to address it.
I started research. There is so much about climate change that people don't know that is vital for our survival and for the survival of this earth, and people don't know that. So when I hear people talk about climate change, it's like barely surface level knowledge, and it's the tip of the iceberg. What's underneath the iceberg that people are supposed to know about is the part that no one is talking about. So yeah, that's how I got into my climate change research.
Koro is a part-time tutor at the University of the South Pacific, but her true passion lies in volunteering for climate change programs and advocating for more Fijians to join the effort.
I would spend maybe 10 hours every day just researching, reading articles, reading all the conferences, the Paris Agreement, seeing what each country was doing about it, seeing what Fiji was doing about it.
Koro, who is originally from Bisama, Nakelo in Tailevu, spends her weekends planting mangroves or other activities which help the environment and nearby communities. She says she is doing whatever possible to spread awareness so that people have the right information and ways in which it can be addressed.
I have the Happy Mangrove Project, which is the one that is most directly related to climate change, because mangroves are so amazing. My favorite trees. They're the best biosequesters for carbon emissions and greenhouse gas emissions.
The former Jaina Ryan College student says changing your diet is one way of helping reduce the effects of climate change.
You help your own health, you've helped the climate, you're saving animals' lives, and you're saving money because it's so much cheaper, and you just feel so much better.
Koro isn't alone in her efforts, as her enthusiasm has already spread among her family and friends. The model, who took part in the recent Miss Asia Pacific event, advises youth to stand up and be committed to helping save our environment. Sainiani Boila, FBC News.